Everyone, Janie here, and today I'm going to be making 8 winter themed cards that are also Christmas cards, and there is no tutorial needed. This is strictly for inspiration, and I will be showing you my process in a slideshow style video, so sit back and enjoy. For all of these cards, I'll be using the InLoveArts 6x6 scrapbook paper called Glacy, and it is the most gorgeous scrapbook paper that is basically what I call a standalone paper because the beautiful scenes on each one are perfect just the way they are. And if you saw my last video, I made a holiday home decor piece with it. And today I'm going to show you how to make cards only using sections of each paper and some amazing cutting dies. For this first card, I'm going to be using this InLoveArts cutting die that is called Tomb in the Heart. It's actually for Easter or Resurrection Sunday, as I prefer to call it, but by the time I discovered it and ordered it, it was too late for Easter. It comes with the heart-shaped tomb and the 3 crosses. But what I noticed about the heart-shaped tomb is that it reminds me of making a heart with your fingers. And so I've decided that that part of the set is perfect for any occasion that you want to tell someone that you love them, whether it be Valentine's Day or any occasion. I will also be using the word love from this hearts background cutting die set from InLoveArts. Okay, for the remainder of this video, you're going to get to listen to some Christmas music while you watch these cards come to life. And I'll be back at the end of the video. For these last 3 cards, I didn't show the process, but I did want to show you that I made these out of leftovers from the other cards, so nothing goes to waste. And these are mini slimline size, so they are 3.5 by 6 inches. And I just love using those extra pieces that I cut off the sides because they were beautiful. And like I said, I didn't want anything to go to waste. And on the one card, I had to cut this out twice because I was doing an inlay process, and I didn't want this piece to go to waste either. So I just wanted you to see that you can make more cards with all of your extra pieces that are left over. As you can see, these cards were so simple thanks to the beautiful scenes on those papers and the wonderful cutting dies that topped them. I hope I provided you with some Christmas card inspiration because that was my goal. And to be honest, it was also my goal to introduce you to the wonderful products that I used to make these cards. And if you have fallen in love with any of them, I will have links to everything below in the description box, as well as a 25% off discount code to InLoveArts should you decide to shop there. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.